Mastering prompt engineering for better AI outputs. It's not just about learning how to talk to machines. It's about unlocking the true potential of artificial intelligence. In today's world, AI tools are only as powerful as the prompts that guide them. Whether you're generating content, solving complex problems, or automating tasks, the way you frame your request can make the difference between average results and exceptional outcomes. By mastering the art of prompt engineering, you can harness AI's capabilities with precision, creativity, and efficiency. 1. Prompt engineering. Artificial intelligence systems rely on well-constructed prompts to understand tasks and generate accurate results. Prompt engineering focuses on crafting inputs that effectively guide AI behavior, ensuring outputs align with user goals. By carefully considering the structure and clarity of these inputs, users can tap into the AI's full potential. This process goes beyond simply asking questions or issuing commands. It involves tailoring the input to account for the AI model's strengths and limitations. 2. Understanding the basics. A prompt serves as the instruction or input that directs an AI model to perform a specific task. The structure of a prompt significantly influences the type and quality of the output generated. Different formats can be used, such as straightforward questions, commands, or partially completed sentences. Each format has its own use case and can shape how effectively the AI understands and addresses the request. The connection between prompts and AI behavior highlights the importance of thoughtful design. A well-structured prompt allows the model to process information in a way that aligns with the intended goal. Simple adjustments, like providing more detailed context or breaking down a complex idea, can make a noticeable difference in results. Additionally, understanding how AI models interpret inputs helps users refine their approach. Knowing the AI's strengths and weaknesses enables the creation of prompts that not only guide the system more effectively, but also minimize the chances of generating irrelevant or incorrect outputs. 3. Crafting effective prompts. Crafting prompts effectively involves using language that is clear, specific, and goal-oriented. Provide detailed context to reduce ambiguity and guide the AI toward producing more accurate results. Avoid broad or vague phrasing, as this can lead to outputs that miss the intended objective. Experimenting with different formats, such as direct questions or explicit commands, can help refine the AI's focus. Tailor prompts to the complexity of the task, ensuring they are neither too simplistic nor unnecessarily intricate. Testing various approaches allows you to identify what works best for a given scenario. 4. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. One common issue in prompt creation is relying on unclear phrasing, which can lead to misinterpretations by the AI. Using overly detailed or convoluted instructions can also overwhelm the system, resulting in responses that miss the mark. Similarly, prompts that lack necessary context often cause the AI to generate outputs that do not align with the intended purpose. To avoid these problems, focus on creating instructions that balance simplicity with specificity. This ensures the AI has enough information to work effectively without being overloaded. Testing the prompt with multiple variations can reveal where adjustments may be needed. Another approach is to break larger tasks into smaller, manageable prompts to guide the AI step by step. 5. Conclusion and future trends. The future of AI and prompt design holds exciting possibilities as systems become more advanced and capable of handling greater complexity. Adapting to these changes will require users to continually refine their approach to crafting prompts, ensuring they remain effective with evolving technologies. Emerging trends may include models capable of understanding context more intuitively and generating results with minimal guidance.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel or more videos like this. Thanks for watching.